What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JesusDrawz. Hopefully you're having an awesome day. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I actually got commissioned to recreate a famous piece from back in the day. Now this famous piece is a wood block print by the Japanese artist Hokusai. And this painting, or woodblock print, is the Great Wave Off Kanagawa, or just the Great Wave. And this was actually published between 1829 and 1833, and yes, I am reading this off Google. But anyways, I was super nervous about actually, thinking about, man, am I gonna be able to actually accomplish this? But I persevered. I'm up to any challenges, and I know my limits, so I knew that if I just took the time to actually, really plan this out and take my time with it, I knew it was going to be possible. So really, this is just going to be a time-lapse video of showing the whole process. And honestly, I think this painting took maybe 5 days with maybe like 5 hours of work each day. So it took a pretty long time, but I'm actually super proud of the results, as you guys will see this masterpiece unfold. And instead of me just yapping the whole time through, I'm actually gonna let some nice soothing jazz play throughout the video, and I'll hop right in if I have any words to say, so enjoy. Just wanted to pop right in and say that if you guys like this video or this painting, don't forget to drop a like. Don't forget to comment, let me know what you think. Share and subscribe for more art. Alrighty folks, so wrapping up this video. So I took note of, as the piece went along, things that I need to work on in the future, and that is trying to blend my acrylic paints into like smooth transitions. And I realized that painting the sky on this piece. Now, it didn't come out as bad as I thought it was. This honestly was the part where I was like, man, I was so scared to actually attempt to recreate the sky, but I just said, you know what, just go for it. And I did, and the sky actually didn't come out looking too bad. I'm actually pretty pleased. It didn't come out looking exactly like it, but this whole piece, it wasn't supposed to be exact. This is basically just a degree wave off in my style. But I'm happy with that. I'm actually pretty surprised with the Japanese letters on this. I wish I knew what it said, but I don't speak Japanese. If you guys know what it says, let me know in the comment section below. And I actually used a gloss varnish spray for this one because I thought using a brush to brush this on was gonna take forever because this canvas is just huge. So I went and picked up a Winsor & Newton Professional gloss varnish spray and sprayed that bad boy, to keep it clean from any dust and all those molecules and bad things that'll ruin this painting. So it actually came out looking pretty cool. It's crisp and it looks amazing. I actually really love this painting. I'm actually kind of sad that it's going to be leaving my Jesus museum, but it's going to go to a better home, and it's probably going to look better in their home than it is in mine. But anyways, here's going to be a zoom up of the final piece. Let me know once again what y'all think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Keep creating. Keep it trill. Peace and love. Until next time, y'all, I'm out.